Welcome! My noodles are famous. People call a week ahead to book.
Hi, I'd like to place an order for next week.
Yes, for the noodles. I need to book a week in advance. Welcome to a modern noodle factory. Today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the full journey of how noodles are made, from raw wheat flour to the final packaged product you see on store shelves. The approved flour is stored in giant silos and transported through sealed pipelines into the production line. This closed system prevents contamination and keeps the process hygienic. Before production even begins, every raw ingredient is carefully tested. Flour is checked for moisture content and protein level. Water is filtered and purified. This ensures the noodles have the perfect texture and taste every single time. High-capacity mixers blend flour, water, salt, and natural stabilizers. Sensors monitor temperature and mixing speed to create smooth, elastic dough with consistent quality. After mixing, the dough is allowed to rest. This resting time helps develop gluten, improving elasticity and giving the noodles their characteristic chewy texture. The rested dough passes through multiple rollers that gradually flatten it into thin sheets. Thickness sensors ensure every sheet is perfectly uniform. Sharp cutters slice the dough sheets into long strands. Some noodles are shaped into gentle waves, allowing them to cook faster and absorb more flavor. The noodles are then portioned into precise serving sizes, and the noodles are lightly steamed to set their shape. For instant noodles, they are briefly deep fried to remove moisture and lock in texture. The cooking oil is continuously filtered and reused to maintain food safety and quality. After cooking, the noodles pass through cooling tunnels and dehumidifiers. This step prevents condensation, ensures crisp texture, and extends shelf life. In a separate hygienic area, spices, dried vegetables, and seasoning powders are blended and portioned into flavor packets that will be packed together with the noodles. Robotic arms place noodle blocks into cups or packets. Flavor sachets are added, and the packages are heat sealed to protect against air and moisture. Every package passes through metal detectors and weight check machines. Any defective product is automatically removed from the line. Each package is printed with a production date and batch number. This allows full traceability from factory to store shelf. Finished products are stacked onto pallets and stored in climate-controlled warehouses before being shipped to supermarkets and distributors around the world. From quality testing to global delivery, making noodles is a precise and highly automated process. The next time you enjoy a bowl of noodles, you'll know just how much technology and care goes into every bite. Thanks for watching.
In the end, the noodle carts leave the factory and head towards the cities to supply the shopkeepers. The name of the factory is also a show, which is named after Rizwan Gori.
In the end, the noodle truck leaves the factory and heads towards the cities to supply the shopkeepers.
And the name of the factory is also a show, which is named after Rizwan Gori.
Welcome! My noodles are famous. People call a week ahead to book.
Hi, I'd like to place an order for next week.
Yes, for the noodles. I need to book a week in advance.